Wouldn't you know, that's my luck. Paint's messed up.
What's going on, guys? So in today's video, we're going to be debadging and demolding my Sierra, and I'm honestly a little sad about it because I do absolutely love the side moldings on these trucks. I think it's the perfect amount of chrome. I think they look really good and they tie everything in together, but unfortunately mine have gone to crap. They've got all these wrinkles in it. That one is actually fine, but if I come over here to the passenger side, it's even worse. The front door is bowed out. It's got one wrinkle in it right there, so it's crap anyways, and then this one's just absolutely terrible. We're keeping the Z71 sticker, and then we're going to be taking off the Sierra and GMC. I really like the way that those look on there as well, which we're going to keep them in case we want to put them back on, but I figured since we took the fender flares off a couple videos ago, might as well go ahead and scrap everything and see what the complete debadged blacked out look looks like. And if we want to go back with new side moldings, I'm going to need some help because I cannot for the life of me find replacement ones for the crew cabs. I can find tons of them for the extended cabs, but no luck with the crew cabs. So if you know a place to get OEM style ones, let me know. Drop a comment. So anyways, I'm gonna go grab some fishing line, get our racer wheel. Let's get after it. I guess we're actually doing this. I'm a little sad. Oh yeah, that's a great start. Oh man, that's a fun next slot. Dadgummit. Well, I couldn't find any gloves. We'll do it the slightly less painful way. All right, this should be the last one. Get it. Oh, there it goes. Oh my gosh. That is so much adhesive. And you know, wouldn't you know, that's my luck. Paint's messed up. Our paint is bubbled. It's got like water behind it. Well, as depressing as that is, I guess we're just gonna follow through with at least cleaning all this crap off, and maybe we'll put them back on, maybe we'll, I don't know what, but we gotta get all this crap off anyways. Paint just flaked off there, which I'm thinking it's gonna do everywhere. That sucks. So how the crap am I gonna put that piece on here without taking this stuff off? If I take this stuff off, I'm gonna rip all the paint off. Yeah, see? That whole thing's just ready to let go. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, moment of truth. Let's put this crap back on here. Hope it stays. Well, I'll tell you what, the old truck has not been treating me too right in the last couple of videos, as I'm sure y'all can tell. Dadgum, dude, just wrecking my life. I'm not like crying over it, but dadgummit. It's getting frustrating. I guess I've had a lot of good so far with the truck, and then it's starting to rear its head, show its age a little bit right now. So We're gonna be all right though, I guess. Like I said, what color should we paint this thing? Because honestly, I'm about done with the whole paint giving me problems. The roof needs painting. The day I went and bought the truck, it was raining, so I couldn't tell that the clear coat had failed. You can see right there where it still got some. The clear coat's bad on the roof, kind of like how it was on Terry, and when it's wet, you can't tell. It looks totally fine. So the guy skimped me on that one a little bit. Not a little bit, he totally did, totally. Yeah, between that, the freaking back doors that he totally had to have known had the freaking wood in them, the crap. Still got to get that fixed. Yeah, so honestly, I was just gonna get a new hood for it. I was gonna get the roof repainted while I was getting the hood painted, because I figured that made sense. But now I'm just debating on just getting the whole truck painted. Be done with all of our paint issues. But I don't want to just get it repainted just black like it is. I kind of wanted to do the Cadillac. I think it was, yeah, the old CTSV Cadillac Black Diamond or something. It was black, but it had like really big metallic flakes in it. I'm a little torn. Obviously, the thing went back on there. It's fine for the time being, but I know that there's issues probably on all the other doors as well, just the same. Maybe I might be wrong. So here's a quick update to end the video off. Just got done pressure washing the truck after I took this side door moldings off, and I was super excited because this one was perfect underneath the door molding. No issues whatsoever. And then I took this one off, and it's got all the same issues. So, like I said, I just pressure washed it, and you can see where it's flaking off, dude, just like on the driver's side. So, I haven't taken the back door on the driver's side off yet because there's really not any reason. Chances are high that it's going to be messed up as well underneath there. So, I guess I'm just going to order some replacement ones because I honestly love the way that these look on there. The only reason why I was even taking them off was because, like you saw earlier, mine are messed up. They got all these wrinkles and stuff in them. They look like garbage. But I do actually really like those on the truck. So if I can, I'm going to have to find something tonight, whether they're OEM or aftermarket. I got to find some because for the time being, we're just going to have to put new ones on there and cover those bad places up because until I get my new Sierra, this thing cannot be down for, you know, any extended period of time because I have to drive this thing every single day. So the plan was already to get it repainted at some point. So I'm honestly not worried about it. And that's one of the things that's nice about an old truck like this. It's already got dents and scratches and swirl marks and stuff. And so you don't have to worry about adding to the list, right? It's already got them. So it's not something you have to be worrisome over. So I'm really, honestly, I was more so shocked in the beginning of this video because I really didn't expect it to be messed up underneath there. But it's just, you know, luck of the draw. Some people's will be totally fine and some people's won't. A lot of it, I think, is based off of color. Obviously, like the roof is, you know, black, absorbs a ton of heat throughout the day. So this truck probably sat a long time out in the sun, and that's what cooked the roof on it. And maybe that had something to do with these, or maybe it's just the design that water gets in there and it gets held, and it just over the last 16 years, you know, bubbled up the paint. All right, I got no clue. But either way, we'll get it taken care of at some point. Like I said, I'm not worried about it. We'll get new moldings on there for the time being, and they'll be covered up like it was never messed up. And then I'm definitely going to get my fender flares painted to match, and truck's going to be solid. Like I said, little dings and scratches and swirl marks and all that kind of crap it's kind of a perk in these old trucks. This thing ain't a show trucker by any standard right now, so I ain't worried about it. But anyways, with that being said, hopefully y'all did enjoy this video. Another video, a little frustrated with the old GMC, but we're going to keep on trucking. So y'all comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next on here. With that being said, see y'all in the next one.